What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today we have another fashion over try on haul. We do, because I see that people watch my try on hauls. I was afraid that if I would upload a try on haul, people won't watch it, but I see you guys watch it and y'all like it, you know, and I gained a lot of subscribers because of my try on haul. And you know, I feel like it's because, please excuse me, people around, but I'm hot. I was trying on clothes and I got my window open. When you big, you be looking at stuff online like, I don't know, sis. It look cute on you because you're small. You're not really fat. I don't know if it's going to look right on me, though. You know, we be feeling that way, and I'm not as small as the girls that be, you know, fat. Being a model for a plus size girl. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm plus size. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, we can rely on each other. You feel me? I'm not going to have y'all out here looking stupid because I'm not going to be out here looking stupid. Apart from my white lace right here. You feel me? That, we ain't going to be out here looking stupid. You feel me? I got you. You got me. I got you. With that being said, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. Oh, that was so rude because we was vibing, right? Make sure you like this video and let's just get right into the See, I rebuke you saying in the name of Jesus. Let's just get right into this try on haul. Let me know what you think in the comments below, okay? All right, let's go. Let's go. Okay, so let's just get started. I ordered 2 things from Fashion Nova. Or I had 2 orders. One of them came like in November. The other one just got here on the 11th. So I opened to make sure like everything was everything. And this one I didn't even open yet. So I just ordered this little cute hat or whatever. Oh, okay. This little, little hat or whatnot. I ordered this. I already took this. Most of my clothes is, all of my clothes is either 2X. Or if it say 1X, 2X, it's 1X, 2X. This is a 1X, 2X. This is a sweater type of thing with little pearls on the sleeve. I really don't care for the little pearls on the sleeve. I mean, it's cute, but I don't really care for stuff like that. I don't like a lot of pearls everywhere. That just look ugly to me. Yeah. But I thought this was kind of cute, you know. So I got that. I don't know the name of it because I took it out the wrapper thing. And I bought this little crop turtleneck. This is super cute. You know, okay, so I actually I wanted to get this in black, but black was sold out when I made my first order. And I got this. Or whatever. I wanted it in black, but they didn't have black because by the time Fashion Nova ship your shit out, it'd be sold out. Just to fucking let you know. This was $22.99. The burgundy one that I showed was $22.99. Everything actually was on sale. It was a 90% sale when I ordered this stuff. So then I bought this. I don't know why I'm, you know, kind of like feeling the blue. But I'm feeling the blue. And it actually zips from the bottom. But I don't think I will unzip it just because my booby, like, I don't have time. I think I'll probably just, like, put it on like that. But this, and I am gonna try everything on. I just want to show y'all. I don't know. I'll be kind of skeptical to buy Fashion Nova jeans just because I'm big and I don't really know if they will look right or whatever. So I tried. I'm going to try these out and see if I like them. These are the 2X. Everything basically be like 2X for me, you know? What kind of jeans are these? These are the dark denim. Whatever. And these was $34, but remember everything that I bought was, yeah, I'm gonna have a lot to clean up, was on sale. So they got the little rips and or whatnot. Yeah, so I'm gonna try them on and we're gonna see how they work. It feel like stretchy material, so I feel like that's kind of good. I think we're gonna see if it's good or not. I got what's this? This mustard bodysuit. Just because like I don't know the name of each and everything, I think I might have it popping up on the screen somewhere. I don't know. It all depends on how I feel when I'm editing. But I bought this little bodysuit or whatever. Why I keep saying or whatever? Boobies might be out. Okay. Jesus. I don't know. I don't know how I like this. We're gonna see how this look on. I felt like it looked cute on the model, so. Don't tell me I ordered 2 of these. One in, did I? Oh no, I did. And this is just a little crop, is these called crop tops? I keep saying. Is this a crop top because it's cut? Well, whatever. It's a half top, okay? I got this too. And to let you know, like, if you don't approve of fat people wearing stuff like this that show some skin, stop watching. Before I even try on the clothes, don't watch it because that's going to happen, okay? I don't care. I'm comfortable in the skin I'm in, and I really don't give two F-U-C-K. You know? I don't give 2 fucks. I don't care. I really don't care what nobody got to say. I really don't care if anybody be like, you shouldn't be wearing that with your stomach showing. I don't care, sweetie. I don't care. I like it. You can hate it. I like it. I love it. I'm going to do what I'm going to do at the end of the day. Just like you going to do whatever you do at the end of the day. I'm just going to do me. Okay? If my man like it, you know, if the person I'm dealing with like it, love every freaking roll on my body, like, I'm good, okay? I'm just happy and content within myself. You feel me? Like, I will walk outside with a 2-piece on. I don't care. I'm that comfortable. Like, I don't care. I don't care. Don't care. Okay. Yeah. Let's just get into trying on these clothes and let's see how this look. And then I'm gonna tell y'all about Fashion Nova when I come back. Cause I got some words for that ass. No, but for do y'all like my wig though? Like, my sister hooked me up. But alright, let's just get right into it. I actually like this. This is cute. And I got on the jeans. Oh, yeah. I got on the jeans. I like them too. I like the jeans. They super stretchy or whatever. So that's like a bonus, like a plus, I guess. It's cute. I'm going to wear it because I bought it and I like it, but I don't like it. Okay, like it's like a fucking thong. Okay, and feel me? Just between you and me, I don't even wear underwear, okay? I know that might be too much information, but I don't like thongs. Oh my God. It just make you want to just get your wedgie out. At least for me. Like, I got too much back here to wear a fucking thong. And I don't like it. So, when and if I do wear it, I probably would not fasten it. Because, I don't like the way it's making me feel. But I like the jeans and I like the top. I just don't like the fact that it's like a fucking thong. I don't like that. And it's making me want to go take it off now. So I know, like, if I wear it, I'm not gonna fasten it. Cause my whole ass is out. And I don't like that. But it's cute though. Like, I can definitely dress this up. You know, with some nice cute slacks. Do you like it? Like this video if you like it, okay? Now let's move on to the next fit, shall we? Okay. This is, you can see my little butterfly. This is cute too. I like this sweater or whatever. It's cute. This would be cute with a little necklace coming around with your bag. I like this. Okay, so first off, I know I didn't have this on when I first started the video. Whatever, it don't matter. Let's just end this video by saying, I liked everything, except for the little thong, bodysuit. Like, I didn't like that. I'm not gonna snap it when I wear it. I don't like thongs. I don't like none of that. It's just too much for me. I got too much back there to be messing with thongs, you know. But besides that, I really liked everything. I really like these jeans too. Like, I was so skeptical of buying some just because I'm like, I don't know. My only problem with Fashion Nova is how long they stuff take to get to you. Like, I ordered my first order on the 17th, right? And it came like on the 20-something, like before Thanksgiving, it came. Ordered it on the 17th, but before Thanksgiving, it came. My next order came on the 11th, and I ordered it on the 26th of November. It came on December the 11th. That's a big difference. Like, I feel like when they got super huge sales going on, they need to get that shit together because they know. I mean, come on now. If somebody got a 90% sale, you know people really about to be buying your shit. You know that. You know it's going to be a large amount of people buying stuff because of the super huge sale. And people already buy your stuff when you don't have a sale, so you already know when you have a sale as big as 90% off is going to be a whole bunch of people buying stuff. With that being said, I feel like their shipping process and how long everything took to get to me was ridiculous. They need to find a way to correct that because I felt some type of way. Like, y'all sitting here uploading shit on Instagram but ain't shipping my stuff out. Go in that warehouse instead of tending to social media. I don't give a fuck if you have different people. Pull them and take them over there because y'all need help apparently in the warehouse in that shipping department. So yeah, that was it. I like everything that I got. Let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? If it's negative, you can keep that shit to yourself. I don't give a fuck. But if you liked it, let me know you liked it. You know what I'm saying? You know, if you like when I do try on hauls, let me know that you like when I do try on hauls. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll definitely see y'all in my next upload. Peace.